Hi, I'm Juliet, and today I'm talking about 5 tools to help with editing in Scrivener 3 for Windows. These first 2 are for making notes as you go along, so you can come back to them later. In the Inspector, under the Notes tab, you have the Notes field. This allows you to write notes to yourself about things you still have to do, or look up, or check, or whatever. There is one notes field per manuscript folder or document, so there's plenty of room for detail. If you want to be more specific, you can add comments to pieces of text. Either click next to or highlight the text, go to the Footnotes and Comments tab of the Inspector, and click on Add Comment. This will highlight the place in the text, and once you're done with the comment, you can simply delete it. Now let's look at 2 tools that will help with the flow of your text. One of the best ways to find errors in your manuscript is to listen to it read aloud. So in the Edit menu under Speech, you have the Read Aloud function, which here is called Start Speaking.
Text, 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 text.
This will help to find omissions, extra words, and clunky sentences.
Text, text, text.
Also in the Edit menu, under Writing Tools, you have Dialogue Focus. This is exactly what it sounds like. It focuses you on the dialogue by knocking back the other text. This works with double and single quotes. It will help you to see if the dialogue flows without all the narrative in between. Finally, here's a tool for formatting, and another option that may work better depending on your manuscript. Under Edit, Text Tidying, you have Replace multiple spaces with single spaces. This is for those of us who are taught to put 2 spaces between sentences, or who often accidentally hit the spacebar twice. Now, this is probably fine for a novel, but there may be instances in non-fiction where you want 2 spaces for display. If that's the case, you'd be better using Find and Replace. Ctrl+F, so that you can go through all the instances and say yay or nay. You might also want to know about this tool.